Ever wondered how we went from a fringe internet currency to a potentially world-changing financial technology? What were the pivotal moments, the key players that helped bring crypto from the shadows into the mainstream? Think back to the early days of Bitcoin. It was revolutionary, yes, but also complicated. Buying it felt like navigating a digital back alley, fraught with technical jargon and security risks. It wasn't exactly user-friendly for the average person. For crypto to truly take off, it needed bridges, reliable, trustworthy platforms that could connect everyday users to this burgeoning world. That's where companies like Kraken come into the picture. They weren't the very first exchange, but they emerged as a significant force in those crucial early years, playing a vital, often understated, role in the gradual but persistent adoption of cryptocurrencies. So, what exactly has been Kraken's role in this journey? It's more than just a place to buy and sell coins. Let's dive deep into the various ways Kraken has contributed to the growing acceptance and integration of cryptocurrencies into the global financial landscape. One of the most fundamental ways Kraken fostered adoption was by creating a more accessible and trustworthy on-ramp to the crypto world. In the early days, many exchanges were plagued by security breaches, technical glitches, and a general lack of professionalism. Kraken, founded in 2011, positioned itself as a more secure and regulated platform. By implementing robust security measures, including cold storage for the majority of user funds and two-factor authentication, they built a reputation for reliability. This trust was crucial in attracting individuals and even institutions who were hesitant to enter the often perceived Wild West of crypto. Furthermore, Kraken wasn't just about security, it was also about providing a more sophisticated trading experience. They offered a wider range of trading pairs and order types than many of their early competitors, catering not only to novice buyers but also to more experienced traders. This attracted a broader user base and fostered a more mature market environment. The availability of features like margin trading and futures, in some jurisdictions, allowed for more complex investment strategies, drawing in individuals and firms looking for more advanced trading opportunities within the crypto space. Beyond the core exchange functionalities, Kraken actively contributed to the legitimization of the crypto industry through its commitment to compliance and regulation. They proactively engaged with regulatory bodies in various jurisdictions, seeking to operate within legal frameworks. This willingness to work with regulators, rather than against them, helped to build trust and pave the way for broader acceptance of cryptocurrencies by governments and traditional financial institutions. By adhering to KYC, Know Your Customer, and AML, anti-money laundering, regulations, Kraken helped to dispel the narrative of crypto as solely a tool for illicit activities, contributing to its growing legitimacy. Education has also been a significant, albeit sometimes less visible, aspect of Kraken's role in adoption. By providing educational resources, market analysis, and insights, they empowered users to make more informed decisions. This focus on education helped to demystify the complexities of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology, making it more approachable for newcomers. Blog posts, guides, and market reports offered valuable information, fostering a more knowledgeable and confident user base, which is essential for long-term adoption. Moreover, Kraken has consistently expanded its offerings and services, further integrating crypto into various aspects of finance. The introduction of staking services, for example, allowed users to earn passive income on their crypto holdings, making it a more attractive asset class for a wider audience. Similarly, the development of institutional-grade services catered to the growing interest from larger investors, providing them with the tools and infrastructure needed to participate in the crypto market. These expansions demonstrate a commitment to evolving with the industry and meeting the diverse needs of a growing user base. Kraken's global presence has also been a key factor in driving crypto adoption worldwide. By establishing operations in multiple countries and supporting a wide range of fiat currencies, they lowered the barriers to entry for users around the globe. This international approach has been crucial in making cryptocurrency accessible to individuals in different economic and regulatory environments, fostering a more inclusive and widespread adoption. Furthermore, Kraken has actively participated in the broader crypto ecosystem, supporting the development of new technologies and initiatives. Their involvement in the early development of the Lightning Network, for instance, demonstrated a commitment to scaling Bitcoin and making it more viable for everyday transactions. By supporting and investing in such innovations, Kraken has contributed to the ongoing evolution and maturation of the cryptocurrency space, addressing some of the early challenges related to scalability and usability. The acquisition of CryptoWatch, a leading provider of real-time cryptocurrency market data and charting tools, further highlights Kraken's commitment to providing users with sophisticated tools and information. Access to reliable market data is crucial for both individual and institutional investors, and this acquisition solidified Kraken's position as a comprehensive platform for crypto trading and analysis, contributing to a more informed and efficient market. In addition to its direct services, Kraken has also played a role in shaping the narrative around cryptocurrency. By consistently operating with a degree of transparency and professionalism, they have helped to counter negative stereotypes and build a more positive perception of the industry. Their longevity and resilience through various market cycles have further solidified their reputation as a reliable and trustworthy player, contributing to the overall credibility of the crypto space. Consider the impact of having established exchanges like Kraken weathering the volatile ups and downs of the crypto market. Their continued operation provides a sense of stability and permanence to the industry, reassuring newcomers that this is not just a fleeting trend. This long-term presence is a significant factor in fostering confidence and encouraging wider adoption. Furthermore, Kraken's commitment to security has had a ripple effect across the industry. By setting a high standard for security practices, they have indirectly encouraged other exchanges to adopt similar measures, leading to a more secure ecosystem overall. This increased security benefits all crypto users and contributes to a greater sense of trust in the technology. The development of Kraken's mobile app has also played a crucial role in making crypto more accessible to a wider audience. Mobile trading platforms allow users to buy, sell, and manage their crypto on the go, making it more convenient and user-friendly for individuals who may not have regular access to a desktop computer. This increased accessibility is vital for driving adoption among a broader demographic. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.